Morning student, myself PS Pathak. I am teaching math at the class 9th standard today. Student, I hope you are study at the class 8th standard all the definitions, all the things. Student, I hope you have to complete your first chapter rational number and you have to complete fair copy of chapter 1. Student, today we have to start a chapter 2 which is very important for your examinations. The chapter names is, student, here we are start the chapter names is polynomial. Okay student, this is the second chapter of your books. It is very important for examination and point of your knowledge. So student, first what is the polynomials? In 8th standard student, we have to study the algebraic expressions. In case of algebraic expressions, we have to study as like x plus 3. That is what? Algebraic expressions. Okay student, but in this chapter, in the polynomial, we are studying a function polynomial px is equal to x plus 3. Okay student, so that is the algebraic expressions which contain the positive degree is known as the polynomial. Student, now we discuss what is the meaning of degree, what is the meaning of term, which kind of polynomial called monomial, binomial and trinomial. Student, we will see that px is a polynomial function of x, this is equal to x plus 3. Student, suppose we have to retain px is equal to anything x square plus 3x plus 5. Okay student, suppose any polynomial px is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 5. We will see that here use the variable x and the constant 3. In second polynomial, here use the variable x square, that means variable what here? X. And here also use the variable x. Now student, in this case, suppose that here we see the degree of x is 1. So it is what here? Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Student, the polynomial which contain degree 1 is known as the linear polynomial. Okay student, अब देखेंगे the polynomial which contain degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Similarly student, the polynomial which contain degree 3 is known as the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay. On the basis of degree, this is the definitions of linear polynomials, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Third is biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. In this type of the polynomial, it contain degree 4. As example, see that px is any polynomial of x, that is x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, such as. Student, we will see that here the degree of polynomial is what here? Maximum degree is what here? 4. That is what? Biquadratic polynomial. Similarly student, now we have to study values of polynomial. What we are studying? Value of polynomial. Suppose that the student any polynomial px that is equal to 3x plus 5. Suppose that at the x is equal to 1, p1 is equal to what here? At the place of x, we have to substitute 1. Now we see that 3 cross 1 plus 5, that is 3 plus 5, that is 8. Understand? Similarly, students, suppose we have to find the value of p0. At the place of x, we have to substitute 0. Now we see that 3 into 0 plus 5, that is equal to how much? 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. Understand what is the meaning of value of polynomial? Okay, student, now we are discuss the many definition on the basis of term. Any polynomial which contain only one term is known as mononomial. Now we see that any polynomial px